Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead remote play together. First, make sure both you and your friend have a strong internet connection. One player, the host, needs to own Cuphead on Steam and launch the game. Once in the game, the host will open the Steam overlay, usually by pressing Shift plus Tab. From there, they can invite a friend directly to their game session. Your friend simply accepts the invitation, and you're ready to go. For a seamless experience, both players should connect a compatible controller to their respective computers. Steam Remote Play is designed to automatically detect and configure these controllers, making setup straightforward. It's a good idea to ensure your controllers are recognized by your system before launching Cuphead. If you encounter any issues, you can always check the game's input settings to confirm everything is working correctly. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, consider optimizing your Steam Remote Play settings. If you notice any lag or stuttering, try lowering the streaming quality within Steam's Remote Play options. Additionally, closing any unnecessary background applications on both the host and client computers can free up valuable resources. For the absolute best and most stable connection, using a wired Ethernet connection is highly recommended over Wi-Fi. If you encounter any problems, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, verify the integrity of Cuphead's game files through Steam if the game crashes unexpectedly. If connection issues persist, check your firewall settings to ensure Steam and Cuphead are allowed. Often, a quick restart of both Steam and your computer can resolve minor glitches. Finally, always make sure both players have the latest Steam client updates installed for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.